highlighting standout minis from the past month and the choices that push them over the top. This is Reddit Realms. Most people would try to make every part of this model stand out. That's how it falls apart. User amazingEZ chose a clear focal point and didn't compete with it. Mixing OSO with NMM usually looks fake. Here, it doesn't. User skynes keeps the light tight and controlled, so the glow adds depth instead of washing the armor out. This piece lives or dies on contrast. The red glow could have taken over fast. User Varianir kept it controlled, so the lava and smoke pushed the drama without overpowering the model. Painting most of a model white exposes every mistake. There's nowhere to hide. User TheJoustStudio leaned into that risk, and the fine edge work on the red proves the control is real. User KDVB-NatteCavia nailed the color transitions here. They give the scales real depth instead of flat color, and you can read the texture from across the room, and that's the difference. User hotgaEGGY absolutely nailed the fur on this. The face has real depth instead of flat highlights. It feels believable and immediately likable, which is harder than it looks. GoodCat171 kept the saturation high without losing control. Every surface reads clean, from the frog skin to the leather and fabric. That kind of even paint application is what makes busy models work. User Chemical Buffalo 833 absolutely sold the helmet on this. That crystal ball depth pulls your eye immediately and gives the whole model a real sense of presence. Look at how the color gradient makes the weapons and talons pop. The tones stay aggressive without overpowering the body. User Space Walrus kept it controlled, and that's why it works. That hourglass actually reads like sanding glass, and the sword glow feels runic instead of just bright. User prequelapologist nailed the details that usually fall apart up close. What I really like about Reddit is the range of work you see. People are taking risks and making choices that actually pay off. Different styles, different approaches, all done at a really high level. Big respect to everyone featured in this month's episode. Looking forward to what comes across the feed next.